Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain not just where the AC pressure switch is located, but also we'll talk how you can test it. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you guys need to find where the AC pressure switch is located because yours doesn't work or the AC system does not work, blows warm air because of a bad AC pressure switch, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located and we'll talk how you can even test that switch guys. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So specifically we have that 2018 Dodge Challenger V6, but even if you have a V8, I believe the location should be the same because they share many of the AC components, or it will be very similar. We'll explain how to find it and all that stuff. Most of the new Dodge Challengers guys, they use that new generation of Freon R1234YF. This is the new generation, and I've seen some shops charging I've been reading on the forums up to $750 to refuel the system, when you can get those for a fraction of the price guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to buy new Freon, where to get it from. We have a special video that will talk about the AC pressure switch replacement, because on certain models you may need to drain the AC systems, on others you may not. So it really depends guys. We have a special video that will teach you about that. Make sure to check it out before you remove it, because if you guys remove it, okay, what can easily happen if you remove it, it's one of those where you have to drain the system. You can actually guys get it in your eyes, hands, on you, and you shouldn't smell those things in at all, and you don't want it. It can actually blind you if it's pressing the eyes under pressure. Now, before we continue, if your AC system doesn't work, we have a special video that explains the top 5 why AC doesn't work. But I recommend always to scan the system as well. Often you can find out what's wrong. That scanner guys, many of you asked us in the comment section below to share information about good scanners. What we recommend, this one works on almost any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system, so it's amazing too. That can pay itself off in one-time use. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video below if you want to see where you can get that too, and if you want to check the current price and features as well. So let's explain where is the AC pressure switch. So let's show you the compressor now. The compressor is okay right there. That's AC compressor, as you can see. Now that AC compressor guys, if you follow it, there is one high pressure line right here. Check it out, that's a high pressure line. That's the high pressure port. Low pressure port is on the bottom, and if you come, your AC pressure switch will always be on the high pressure line. If you come to the back side, okay, let me see right there, perfect, to the back side right there, that device right here, that's your AC pressure switch. I'm trying to zoom on it, perfect. That's the AC pressure switch guys, right there. Here's only one connector. Now that switch reads how much freon you have in the system, and if it's enough freon, enough pressure, the engine computer will figure out, okay, it's safe for us to activate the compressor. But if that switch doesn't work, the computer will not know how much pressure you have, so it will not turn the compressor on. We'll have a special video that will teach you how to test AC pressure switch without removing it, without draining the system, without anything like that. It takes only probably a couple minutes and you will be able to find out if it's working or not. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.